Hello, my name's Ben from Stoke Audi, and today I'm going to be talking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. This is an eye-catching Audi A1 Sportback S-Line competition 40 TFSI with the S-tronic automatic gearbox. This particular Audi A1 does come finished in the Python yellow paint finish, and this sporty hot little hatchback features the 2-litre petrol engine producing 200 PS and gets you from 0 to 62 miles an hour in as little as 6.5 seconds. Down the side of the vehicle we have the competition exclusive 17-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels giving you a nice sporty look. And this car's front LED headlights as well as rear LED tail lights both offer up a really nice bright beam, ensuring you're nice and visible to other drivers on the road. This competition model also features the grey finish to the door mirror surrounds and a real nice contrast against the yellow paint finish, and a really nice feature on this A1 is the rear parking sensors, giving a clear audible indication of how close you are to objects behind you. This car's rear boot space has ample room for a range of day-to-day tasks, with the rear seats able to be folded in a 60/40 configuration. The rear seats in this Audi A1 come finished in the leather and cloth material with the adjustable head restraints with the child ISOFIX anchor points, and taking a look around we can see there's ample legroom here in the back for adults and children alike. The full leather multi-function steering wheel greets you on entry. We have the Audi virtual cockpit display, and to the centre of the car's dash we have the multimedia touchscreen display. Taking a look around, the front seats in this car do again come finished in that leather and cloth material with the embossed S logos. The multifunction buttons located on the steering wheel keep many of the commonly used functions right at the driver's fingertips, so you can easily keep your attention on the road ahead. The cruise control stalk in this car is perfect for those longer motorway journeys. And taking a look at the central touchscreen display, we can come into the car's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto feature for connecting your smartphone device and gaining access to a range of compatible applications, music streaming services and hands-free phone calls. Coming into the car's menu, we can change the volume of the car's rear parking sensors. And also in the car's menu we can access a range of driver assist settings and functions. Making our way down below we do have the manual control dials for the car's climate control system, as well as a button for turning on and off the air conditioning. Down below we have some quick access buttons for different menu options, a 12-volt power socket and 2 USB ports to keep those media devices nice and charged. Further back we do have this car's S-tronic automatic gearbox, which does feature the manual parking brake. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty as well as 1 year's roadside assistance, and if you would like any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please give our team a call on 01782 488 205 or inquire online now.